Hey you guys, Sarah Lavi here. I'm going to tell you the best ways basically to record really high quality stuff at home. The most simple, easy, and affordable ways to do it. And there's really just 3 big steps that you can take, and they're very simple steps. So again, my name is Sarah Lavi, singer-songwriter, actress, and humanitarian. I am going to attach links below to Amazon's Smile, so that way you can donate to your favorite charity and go ahead and allow the proceeds that you make on your purchase go directly to the charity of choice. But I will put those links below for the items that I discuss in this video. Boom shakalaka, here we go. So the top 3 ways to make high quality filming from your home, super easy, super cheap, and very, very good. Okay, you guys, so step number 1 is amazing lighting. I am actually on travels right now and I do not have my lighting with me. So I'm actually using a natural light. I'm using a window that's quite huge right in front of me that allows me to have some natural light coming in to show on my face, so there's not as many shadows occurring on my face. So natural light is always the way to go. Lighting is essential for any kind of recording. So if you have natural lighting, if it's daytime and you have a big window to record in front of that window, is basically your best bet. Now, if you do not have natural lighting or you need to record at nighttime, go ahead and look into getting a circle light. Now, I actually have 2 circle lights back at my house. I don't have it with me now, but when I do, I have a circle light here, a circle light here if I'm recording at night. And basically it has all the lighting coming on you and you can adjust it accordingly, basically to see how it looks good on your skin tone and how it resembles best in the video. So that's number 1. Essential. Good lighting is everything. All right, number 2, you can actually use your cell phone to record anything and everything. So if we're talking about auditions here for actors and singers and models as well, then what you're gonna do is you can actually prop your cell phone on a tripod. And I'm going to put the link below on my favorite tripods that you can get from Amazon Smile. Now, I actually have like probably 3 tripods at home, and one of my favorite ones is super, super light and easy, and it's actually a travel one, so it comes in a little tiny bag and you just expand it whenever you go traveling. So right now I'm actually using a tripod to kind of prop up my cell phone so I can make this video for you guys. But a tripod is amazing, and that's exactly what you need for either a regular camera, which is high quality. I have that as well, a Canon camera whenever I decide to use it. But for travels, I definitely use basically a portable tripod that I can prop my cell phone on to take those videos and take those pictures as well. All right, last but not least, if you are using your cell phone to record, make sure it's super clean, and that way you can get a good image when you do self-recording. Of course, you're gonna get much higher pixels if you do it the opposite way and you don't see yourself, but it kind of helps seeing yourself, especially if you're by yourself and you're trying to figure out positions and how to record. But number 3 is what I'm going to discuss next. It is the fine-tuning of your video. So I have 2 of my very favorite applications you can get on your cell phone, whether it be an Android or an iPhone. You can actually get these 2, and these are my favorite, and I'm going to tell you right now. So my favorite is SPLICE. SPLICE is absolutely amazing. It helps you edit, and so you can crop and edit different parts, whether it be crop the video in itself and the image, or it be actually to shorten or lengthen the video on the sides. Perfect. You can also adjust the volume, etc., etc. It's very similar to iMovie as well, and so it's very, very similar. So you can kind of take your picks. So SPLICE, iMovie. I tend to lean towards SPLICE a bit more, but iMovie is also a great, great tool if you have an iPhone. And the other app that I love, the second app for my number 3 on apps, is basically going to be what we call Chromic. Chromic's great, and I say this because let's say your lighting is not essential and you need to kind of adjust the shadowing or the highlights and put up a little contrast, whatever it may be. You basically have those tools in Chromic to be able to do that. And I'm going to attach basically the link for Chromic below. So when you think of the lighting and enhancements for the actual video on the imagery, then Chromic is actually my favorite go-to for the app on that. So my favorites are SPLICE, or you can basically do the iMovie if you have an iPhone. And for visualization, I really like Chromic, and I will put those below. And I hope you like my travel video. I'm super short, super simple, super sweet, but I hope it's enough to give you the information that you need to help you record on the go and record high quality content. I would say that with the iPhone and Android, with really good pixels, you can do a pretty good content video, super sweet, super short for auditions, for YouTube videos, etc., etc. Now, of course, if you want to do something more professional, I highly suggest having a Canon or some kind of professional gear in order to be able to do that. And or you can go ahead and hire somebody that has a professional background in videography as well as photography. But this is my basically do-it-yourself video on how to make a quality video and content at home. I hope you enjoy it. Put a thumbs up if you do, share it if you like it, and of course write comments below if you have any questions, concerns, etc., etc. And let me know what you'd like to hear from me next. I have created this channel so I can help others in my industry and elsewhere on things that I have learned over the years and learned along the way, and I hope to assist you in the best way that I can. And because we're all in this together and dreams can come true all around the board. There's no such thing as competition, and I'm here for you guys. So let me know how I can assist you further, and thank you guys. I'm excited to see you, and I'll see you on the next video.